to Wilson's Fine Woodworking. Today we're going to talk about blade cleaning. Most of us spend too much money on sharpening blades. Blades get pitch around each tooth. If that's the tooth, what happens is pitch gathers around like that and covers the sharp point of the blade. And if you were to clean that off, it would still be sharp. So, if we clean it sooner and not pay to have the sharpening sooner, you can keep on using the blade without getting it sharpened for quite some time. The product I have used for years is available at the Home Depot, and it's called Industrial Purple Degreaser. It really is lye, okay? And that is very corrosive. So if you're going to use this stuff, you've got to have eye protection and hand protection, and try not to breathe too much of the substance. Back away. So I don't use this full strength. I use it diluted 3:1. And you can buy containers like this that have a marking on it. You fill it to a certain level, there, and you fill it all the way to there, and it says right there, 3:1. So you don't have to measure it, it just happens. So when we use this stuff, we have our blades set out on a surface that do not affect the sharpness of the blade. So now I'm going to spray this stuff on. And when you spray this stuff on, you have to let it sit for about 3 minutes to activate. I try to do both sides. So I do one side, and then, all right, we flip the blades over, repeat the process on the other side, spray it again, and after you've waited 3 minutes, which I already have, I've wiped all the blades except the last one. We take something like a fingernail brush, which are really cheap, and just rub it, like so, all the way around, and you'll find the stuff will just slide right off. There, we're all done. Now what I have to do is take a hose and rinse it wet. I just dried it off, and then I use compressed air to completely dry it. I do that to both sides. Then I use this special spray, this stuff, Bladecote. What's good about it is that it does not allow or affect glues or finishes of any kind, this particular brand. It's the only one on the market I know of that does that. Okay, and it's available at some places like the Depot, just like this is. Use the compressed air, thoroughly dry it, flip it over, do the same on the other side. Thanks for tuning to Wilson's Fine Woodworking. Hope to see you in the future.